Hi you guys, I'm Arzian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you didn't see my last video, I did a short little tutorial on this hairstyle right here, the look that I did for my cover Remember Me by Umi, which you can check out right over here. So Chantal, my best friend, asked me to do a get the look. So part 1 was the hair, and now I am going into part 2, which is 2, this is 10, 2, sorry that's 4. 2, which is the makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So the look is very simple. I tried doing a little cut crease. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter primer. I already did my brows. As you can see, I did the laminated brows. If you want a tutorial on that, I actually have one out already. Just click right there. I'm going to start with my eyes because I usually mess up. I'm not really a makeup expert. Sometimes I like to, you know, experiment here and there. I took cosmetology in high school, but most of the looks I kind of just winged or copied online. But anyway, that's besides the point. So today I'm using the Maddie Ziegler The Imagination palette by Morphe. I'm going to start with my crease. So I'm going to take this crease blender, Perfect by Quo. Yeah, I knew it was for crease. I'm just gonna go in with a mix of M3 and Latte and just go to town. Put that right in my crease, focusing it on the outer corner and then blending and working my way in. I'm just gonna continue building M3 and Latte until I have a nice brown crease. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealer from Too Faced Born This Way. I'm gonna plop this on my eyelid and open my eye. That spot is where I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm just gonna clean my smudge brush off and spread it out with this. I'm gonna stop about 3/4 of the way. And now using this all over shadow brush by Quo, I'm gonna take Butterfly Fantasy and I'm just gonna set my eyelid where I cut the crease. Still trying to work on the angles, on how to record and stuff, because you can only do so much with an iPhone. Please bear with me. Okay, looking pretty good. Now I'm gonna take a clean crease brush and I'm just gonna take a little bit of M3 and lightly blend in where I cut the crease in the outer corner as well as the top, just a little bit. See that, how it kind of fades? Or at least I attempted to make it fade. Now I'm gonna take my roller liner eyeliner by Benefit and I'm gonna try my best to do a simple small wing. So I only just started getting good at eyeliner, but I seen this thing on Instagram, this little makeup hack where they take a toothpick flosser and kind of put where they want the line angled. So I'm gonna try that out, put a little bit of eyeliner for how long you want your wing to be. I only want it to be that long, which is really short because I like to go simple. And I'm gonna try to line it like that. I'm really nervous. Okay, cool. So my eyeliner dried up. I think I have to do it quicker. Try this again. That didn't work at all. Cool hack, Instagram. I kind of just indented you could see it there. I indented it so I could just follow that line. I'm gonna try to end the wing where my crease starts. I like to start from the middle of my lid and then work my way out. I'm trying to make the line as thin as possible. Okay, so that is a wing for ya. If I were to do eye makeup after, my entire face would just be gone because I sweat so much when I do my eyes. I'm just gonna take a baby wipe and clean the edges off. And now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Okay guys, so both of my eyes are complete. I tried my best to make the eyeliner even. Let me know what you guys think, but that's the look. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I like to conceal my under eyes with this MAC dual ended concealer thing. I like to mix the orange and the yellow. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend that in. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit to the sides of my nose. Now I'm gonna go back in with my concealer, put it underneath my eyes, blend. I like to blend around the top of my lips because I have a little bit of peach fuzz on the sides of my nose because of the redness. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with Fenty Beauty's Banana Pro Filter and Banana, I mean. I like to set it with my sponge, just like that, and like that. Some on my forehead because I'm a little bit oily, and I just like to blend it all in. Now I'm gonna take this brush and Bahama Mama bronzer by thebalm Cosmetics. There's something in my eye, shoot. And I'm just gonna put that here, some on my, really gently on my forehead. I like to pat just because my baby hairs are laid, so I don't want to move them. Put some under my chin. Been using another blending brush. I like to put some under my lip to make it look a little pouty. And then I'm just gonna contour my nose. I like to make the bridge like, you know, and then right here just like a little bit. Now to add some color to my face, I'm gonna take NARS Orgasm blush on the apples of my cheeks, and I also like to add it on my nose and a little on my chin and my forehead, whatever I have extra. Now I'm just gonna spray my face with All Nighter makeup setting spray. I'm gonna spray my highlighting brush. And I'm gonna take this highlighter from Becca in Opal. I'm gonna put some on the high points of my cheek, on my cupid's bow, the tip and bridge of my nose, my brow bone. And then to finish it off, I'm just gonna put some in the inner corners of my eye with my finger. Wow. Now to finish off the eye look, I'm gonna take this smudge brush, dip it in the shade, gonna go with M3, and just smudge a little under my eye right here. Next, I'm gonna go in with Voluminous Million Lashes by who knows because the label wore off. And I'm gonna take a brown mascara. This is by Maybelline. It's Lash Sensational. I like to apply that to my bottom lashes. Now to finish the look, I'm just gonna clean off my lips with a cotton pad and some water. I'm gonna moisturize with some Burt's Bees. Now I'm gonna line it with Chestnut liner from MAC. Just following my natural shape. So I just did that on the outside and I'm blending it in. Now I'm gonna take the gloss bomb called Fenty Glow by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lips. So you guys, this is the finished makeup look. I just retouched my curls a little bit. Thank you so much again to Chantel for requesting this Get the Look video. Hopefully I get to see some of your recreations. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Please don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!